Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove background noise on Soundtrap. So here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to remove background noise on Soundtrap. The first thing you like to do is to open your web browser and go to Soundtrap web app at soundtrap.com. And once logged in, just go to the project section on the home page and select the project you want to work on. If it is a new project, just click on Enter Studio to create a new project. Let's say this is an existing project and I'm just going to click on Studio to open it. Inside the studio, you need to identify the track that contains the background noise. And then click on the track to select it. And once you click on the track to select it, I'll show you what next to do as far as we are inside the studio. So we're in the studio. Now click on the track. First off, let me delete this loop. So click on the track to highlight it. After selecting the track, you will see an edit icon that is right next to the track name. So go ahead and click on this edit icon. And you have a couple of features right here. And fade in, fade out, reverse effects, vocal tuner, change pitch. Click on effects. And now you have a wide variety of effects that you can choose from your library. So from there, just select effect from library, and in the search bar, guess what we're going to type in? Noise gate. Now, I'd like you to know that noise gate is a premium feature. It means you have to use the upgraded plan for Soundtrap before you can use the noise gate. But once you have upgraded and noise gate has been enabled, the diamond icon is going to be removed, so it's be free for you. So just drag the noise gate. Once you drag, you drop it. Now I cannot drag and drop because it's not free. So just drag and drop it here, and that's it. So to enable, you have to enable the noise gate by clicking the toggle switch next to it. The noise gate will automatically reduce or eliminate background noise when the sound level falls below a certain threshold. And you can adjust the threshold setting to fine-tune the effect. What is threshold? For the threshold, set it to a level where only the background noise gets cut off, but not your desired audio. Then you can use the EQ tool, which is optional. Now you can further reduce background noise by adjusting the equalizer. So head over here and search for equalizer. So here's the equalizer. Now this is free for me, so I'm gonna drag and drop. Now in the track setting window where you have this EQ, you're gonna have to lower the low end frequencies. This is the low end frequencies 1, 2, 3. So lower it below 100 Hz if the background noise consists of rumbling or low frequency sounds. And you can also experiment with high pass filters to reduce unwanted sounds like hum or hiss. Now, after enabling the noise gate and adjusting the EQ, play the track to test how well the background noise has been removed. If necessary, just fine-tune the noise gate threshold or EQ settings until you achieve the desired result. So if needed, you can also apply additional effects to further clean up the audio. For example, you can add compressor or the denoiser effects. Just search for them here, compressor and denoiser, if the background noise persists or if you can still find it here. So just click on add effects and select effect from library and search, then drag drop. So once you're satisfied with the background noise removal, click on the file in the top left corner and select save to save your changes. You can also export your project from the top right corner to share or download it. Go over to tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.